days at the piano with my teacher and her breasts. And the music's like the one thing I can even get all. And those breasts I mean, God, please just let those apples fall. It's a bitch of a living. With nothing going on, nothing going on. Just a bitch of a living. Asking what went wrong? Do they think we want this? Oh, who knows?
See, they're showering at gym class.
Bobby Mailer, he's the best. Looks so nasty in those khakis.
God, my whole life's like some test.
Then there's Mariana Whelan, as if she'd return my calls. It's like just kiss some ass, man, and then you